Have you ever loved yourself so much that you thought, hey, let's have a Valentine's Day photo shoot? So you head over to events by Krissy, GTA.com, buy a few items, have them shipped to your doorstep, and all you have to do is put them up on your wall, in your bathtub, in your bedroom, wherever you like. Blow up 20-ish balloons, and boom, you are there. It's a little door fringe, a little polka dot garland, some 18 to 24 inch foil balloons, some 12 inch and 9 inch latex balloons in colors of your choice. And you've got yourself a photo shoot. Some non-alcoholic wine, cake, oops. And there you have it.